Good morning, everyone. Today, I, Yajithwani, your master teacher, is going to give you a very brief discussion about Class 8. Class 8, today we are going to do R.S. Agrawal and the exercise 1A we will do today. And some questions I will give you as homework also. Try to just give these questions answer in the comment section. Okay. So we will begin with the exercise 1A question number 1. First of all, the question is asking express minus 3.5 as a rational number with denominator 20, minus 30, 35, minus 40. I will do two parts from this and other two parts are homework. Okay. First of all, I will do 21. See what is saying. He is telling that this is a number. You have to just convert it into a rational number whose denominator should be 20. So we don't know. You simply multiply it. You know it. If you have to convert a number into other number, you have to multiply, but we don't have the number which we multiply, so we will leave it. We will go to is equal, and what he is saying in denominator, he is saying denominator should be 20. We don't know upper numerator, don't worry, we will find out. So if we are saying 520, so how much you will from which number you will multiply 5 so that you get 20? You are correct that you will multiply by 4. 5 4 20. If you are multiplying denominator by 4, the numerator will also be multiplied by 4. 4 3s are 12. Okay, this is the plus one. These are both are plus. Plus minus minus. Now I will tell you some basic concept. Let me add a page so that I can tell you about this concept. Listen guys, very important concept is this. In this concept, if you are having a plus positive integer plus negative integer, the answer should come in the negative integer. If you are having minus integer and then positive integer, your answer should be coming with minus integer. If you are having both positive integers, then it will be plus only. If you are having both negative, then it will be plus. So these are very important concepts. You have to just remember it. Okay, let's look at the second question. They are saying that express minus 42 upon 98. You have to express minus 42 upon 98 as a rational number with denominator should be 7. Whose denominator means instead of 98 you have to write 7, but how you will divide it? See, this number will be multiplied by both by 2. See, 2 2s are 4, minus 1 here, 2 1s are 2, and 2 4s are 8, 1 shift here, so 2 9s are 18. Now both these numbers minus 21 upon 49, let me just say minus 21 upon 49 are divisible by 7. Okay, 7 7s are 49 and 7 3s are 21 means minus 1. So your answer will get minus 3 upon 7. Is this question clear? So we will move ahead to the next question. Yes, yeah, I have given this question number 3 as homework because he is also saying question. Now you have to hear minus 48 upon 60. You have to express a rational number, but the instead of 65 should become. Now this is the homework. Give me the answer. What will come in the numerator? Okay, now we will see express either the following rational number in standard form. Very simple. Now you have to. I will do one part. Second, third, fourth part will be homework. They are asking that express it is the means you have to reduce how much it is cutting. You have to just cut. See, 2 6 are 12 minus 6, 2 1s are 2, there 1 4, 10, 2 5s are 10. Now it will cut more? No. So this is the final answer. Like we have to do others also. See, second one, minus 14 upon 49, 7 2s are 14, minus 2 minus 2, 7 7s are 49. Now it will reduce more? No. So I have done these two part. You have to do these two part as a homework. Okay guys, so let's move. Okay, these are the question 5 6 7 9 here. See, these three questions are very simple. Question 5 6 7. What you have to do in this question, I will tell. You have to just compare the term. 3 upon 8 is bigger or 0 is bigger? 3 upon 8 or 0 is bigger? The correct answer will be 0. Like this you have to all comparison. Okay, these three as I have not shown because these three are same. We have to just give the greater one in this. So these three numbers. Now arrange the following in the decimal order. I will do first part only. No, so first part not, it is easy. I will do third part, then fourth part. Okay, so let's see third part. In descending order is I will give 1, 4, 2, 1, 3. So you simply just say, I will say descending order. What you will do? 4, 3, 2, 1. But in if I will give you minus and say do it in the descending order, so what you will do? You will do this. You will do -1, -2, -3, because in minus always everything goes in opposite. Okay, so let's see third question. What is third question saying? Third question is saying that -5/6, -10/12, -13/18, 23/-24. Just do it in the descending order. Now how will you do this question? I will do one part because these are lengthy questions, they will take time. What do you have to do in this question? Let me tell you all that you have to just convert all these. First take out LCM of 6, 12, -20, 18, -24, so that no confusion should be there. 18 -24. Okay, so you have to just take out all these. Okay, 2 3 are 6, 2 6 are 12, 2 9 are 18, 2 1 are 2, 2 6 12. Now cutting area is there. Yes, 2 3 are 8 3 there, 2 3 are 6, it is 9 there, -6. Cutting is also there. Again 2, it will be, so what it will be then? It will be coming 3 3 9 and -3. Now what you have to do? 3 1 3 1, these will 1 1 3, plus this will come 1 -1 will be. So then again 1 1 1 1 -1, sorry. So this question will be, you have got. Now if you just convert all these, you have to just take out the, now you have to just convert them into a like denominator. Means the denominator should be likes one, not unlike. Just convert them and simply solve the questions of the upper part. Understand this question? Let's move. What next question? Question 10. Which of the following statements are true and which are false? In ascending one part, I will tell you in one part. Simply if you just convert them into like that one and just solve it, nothing problem. So you have just, this is also homework. Okay, see, true false. Every whole number is a rational number. Every whole number is a rational number. This is a false one. Why? Because I will tell you. A rational number under comes whole number. Rational number, whole number comes under rational number. Okay, understand? So it will be false. Every integer is a rational number. Yes, true. No, integer is a, yes, it's true. 0 is a whole number, but it is not a rational number. 0 is a whole number, it is not a rational number. It is also true. Okay, guys. So that was all for today from my side. I will not do exercise 1.1b. So guys, that was all for today from my side. Tata, bye bye.